Alright, so today in sampling proportions, what we will be looking at is the sampling distribution and just the rules of thumb just working with it. So let's say, for example, a company says that they have a certain amount of probability of what to expect and you wanted to actually test that out. Okay, so what you need to be able to do is you need to pick enough numbers to actually get to a normal distribution type level. Okay, so conditions for the normality. Rule of thumb, in order to assume normality, the following must be true. The number of items you pick times the probability must be greater than 10, and the number of items you pick times the complement of the probability must be greater than 10 as well. Okay, so those are the just kind of conditions for it. Now, what if we wanted to actually find the mean? The mean would actually turn up to be the probability. Okay, so and remember, this is we're just going with what we're actually working with. Now the standard deviation is actually going to be equal to the square root of p times 1 minus p. Oh, let's not get the 8s in there. Let's get the actual times. Okay, divided by n, and this will be your actual formula for getting an approximate number towards it. Okay, all right, now the cool thing is that remember, n is the number of sample items is equal to n. Okay, and the probability is just what it shows up as. Okay, now the rule of large numbers is that as n gets really big, okay, we are going to actually approach the actual number of what was supposed to be done, but you don't want to approach the actual number of what it's supposed to be, okay, because then you're getting the exact information. This is just all an approximation. So this is all just an approximation. So don't feel bad that you're not getting exact answers, but you're actually just getting an approximation for it, okay? Alright, so once again, to figure out the exact amount of numbers you need for normality, use this, and then use this as an approximation for the standard deviation. Let me change that to an n, because I just realized I spelled it incorrectly. There we go. Okay, so just remember that as you're working with this, always seek out a normal distribution so you can do your calculations, and always justify the normality. Think about your answers as you work with it and say, does this make sense, and am I doing this correctly? Okay, all right. That's it for sampling proportions. The rest is just you calculating and just working with this stuff. I'll talk to you later. Bye.